Welcome back to Storybook Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to create the beautiful Winter's Frost crochet pattern using the Granny Spike stitch. This stunning pattern has a unique texture and is perfect for adding a cozy, wintry touch to your blankets, scarves, and more. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crocheter, I'll walk you through each step to master this gorgeous stitch. Grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun tutorials. So for this project today, we are using a worsted yarn in 5 different colors. I am using a dark blue, a medium blue, light blue, white, and then a white with some sparkles in them. So you can grab whatever colors you want. Any color combination would look great with this pattern. I am also using a US H hook. You're going to need a pair of scissors and a yarn needle as we will be changing colors with each row. So let's grab all of those supplies and we'll get going. Alright, I am going to start with my darkest blue for the first row of this pattern. And to start out our row, we're going to make a chain with multiples of 4. So you'll just chain along however many you need to create your project. I'm going to add up on the screen a chart showing you different blanket sizes that you can make using this pattern. For me, I'm just going to be chaining 28 today just to show you in the tutorial, but you can measure along your chain as needed to get the length that you're needing. So go ahead and make your chain of a multiples of 4. Alright, now that we have our chain made, we're actually going to chain one more at the very end, and this will be part of our turning chain. So the first step is we're going to work into the 5th chain from our hook. So you're going to count, this is your first stitch or first chain, and you're going to count over 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to work 3 double crochets into that 5th chain there. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the 5th chain, pull up your loop. You're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops to create your first double crochet. Then you're going to put 2 more double crochets in that same stitch. Once you have your 3 double crochets made, you're going to chain 1, and you'll do that after each little 3 double crochet section here. So the next step, you're going to actually skip the next 3 chains. So you'll just count over to the 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you'll put 3 more double crochets in that 4th stitch. And once you have those 3 double crochets made, you're just going to chain 1. So just repeat that across for row number 1, and then I'll show you how to end the row, and we're also going to change our color to our medium blue next. Alright, now we are at the end of the row. We have 4 chains left. We're going to skip those 3, and then we're only going to make 2 double crochets in the very last chain. So go ahead and make your first one. And then the second double crochet, we're not going to completely finish off, so we can change that color to our medium blue. So go ahead and yarn over, insert your hook into that chain, and pull up your loop. And then I yarn over and pull through 2, and then I just set my piece down, cut a shorter tail there, and then grab your next color and use your hook to pull that through the 2 loops. So that attaches color number 2. And for row 2, we're going to go ahead and chain 2. And then we're going to turn our piece over. Alright, to start row number 2, we're going to be working in each chain 1 space across. So you'll just see these spaces here, and we're going to work all of our stitches into that. So we're going to start off by making a double crochet into that chain 1 space. After that, we're going to make a long double crochet. And this is worked as a regular double crochet, but we're going to yarn over and we're going to insert our hook into the middle chain that was left unworked below. So you're going to insert your hook into that middle stitch there, pull up a loop, and then bring that loop up to the same height as the row you're working on, and then yarn over and pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2. So it's just a regular double crochet, but we're kind of bringing the yarn up so it's longer, and that will help work that longer stitch that you're needing to create the look that we're wanting. And then next you're going to go into that chain 1 space again and create another double crochet. All right, and that is our first cluster there, and then you're going to chain 1. So next we're going to work in the next chain 1 space here. So you're going to create a double crochet in that space, and then next is our spike stitch or our long double crochet. You're going to yarn over and go into the middle chain below, pull up your loop, and then pull it up to the same height you're working with and create your double crochet. And then you're going to make another double crochet in the chain 1 space. And then you'll chain 1. So you're just going to repeat that across in each chain 1 space, and then I'll show you how to end the row, and we'll change our color to our third color. For me, that's going to be the light blue. All right, once we have finished our last little cluster there, we're going to work our 2 double crochets into the chain space from the beginning of the first row. So you're going to make your chain 1, make your first double crochet into that chain space there, and then we're going to make a partial double crochet to change our color. So insert your hook, pull it up, and yarn over and pull through 2, and then we'll cut our yarn and grab our next color and use your hook to pull that through both loops, and then you're going to chain 2. After you chain 2, go ahead and turn your piece over. So we're going to basically just repeat what we just did. So you're going to create in that chain 1 space a double crochet, and then we're going to make our long double crochet, but this time we're going to go into the center double crochet from the row below. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that center double crochet, pull up your loop to the same height that you need, pull through 2, and pull through 2. All right, and then after that you're going to create 1 more double crochet in the chain 1 space. So you can kind of see the effect that that's now making. That center double crochet, the long double crochet, kind of comes down a little bit farther than the other 2. After that you're going to chain 1, and then you're just going to repeat across. So double crochet, long double crochet in that center double crochet you made from the row below, and then double crochet in the chain 1 space again, and chain 1. So again, just repeat that across until we get to the end of row number 3. All right, to finish off row 3, we're going to make our 2 double crochets in this last chain space here. So go ahead and complete 1 double crochet, and then we'll make a partial double crochet to change our color. And next I am using the regular white yarn. So pull that through and then chain 2. All right, you are now simply just going to repeat row 3 over and over to your desired length of your project. So with me, I used the 5 colors. So after the white, I would use the white with the sparkles in it and then start my colors over. So with the dark blue, the medium blue, light blue, white, and then the white with the sparkles. So let me know in the comments below what color you used and what you're making with your project. If you enjoyed this pattern, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe, because I'll have new crochet stitch tutorials out every Tuesday afternoon and you don't want to miss those. I will add the playlist link up above so you can follow along with each new tutorial. As always, thanks for crocheting with me, and I will see you in the next video.